Hello and welcome back to Code CXS channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to insert an element into the middle of an array. So jump in. Okay, let's do this. First, we insert our header, our heading. So we can say insert new element into the middle of an array. Then in our scripts, we can create the array here and say let array equals to create an array, and let our array be we can say teach teach me to program. Okay, you can end that. So we want to insert a word, so we can say let's word be teach me how. So insert. Okay, teach me how to program. Okay, so end this. Now what do we want to do? How do we go about this? Okay, this is how I want to go about it. We want the we want to insert how here, right? So how do we go about it? It's easy. If we go this way, we get the length of the array. That's the count. So we have 0, 1, 2, that's 4. We get a count or the length, and then we divide it by 2. So if we divide 4 by 2, okay, if we divide 4 by 2, yeah, then at 0, 1, at the second position here, we can insert this word here using the splice JavaScript method. Okay, now this is how I'll go about it. You can see let's array length equals array the length. Okay, so that should give us something like 4, I think. The next thing we should do, let me create space here. The next thing to do is to splice this array at this point. So to be array.splice, uh, array.splice. mm, So the splice, it can have three, it can have more 2, 3, 4 parameters. Okay, but this is how I'll go about it. Okay, um, we will divide what we get here, the array length. We'll divide it here. 0, then the word we want to insert. Okay, so if you look here, if we over here, you see the splices, it has a start, the number, then the delete count, and so what this will actually do. We need to find a way to cater for arrays that are odd numbers, or that the length is an odd number. So to do that, this division, we can just make this a okay. First of all, let's just console log array to see what we'll get. Console.log array, then I can end this and say okay, I can come here, can open this, open with Google Chrome. Okay, then we can console.log and see what we get. So we have teach me to program how. So we have a mistake there. So let me see what my mistake is. Teach me. I'm splicing wrongly. Word. Have I divided it? I have not divided it, so that's the problem. I have to divide by 2 and save and come here. Then I reload to teach me how to program. Okay, so that's it. But let's assume Let's assume you have one more word. Let's say JavaScript. Okay, okay. JavaScript. Come on. JavaScript. Let's see what we'll get here. So we can reload. Teach me how to program JavaScript. Okay. Anyway, the best bet is to do a math cell function here. So always get the maximum. So always get the rounded value if it's an odd number. So let's see whether this is going to work out fine the way we want. So teach me to how program. So is this what we want? 1, 2, 3. So we have 5 before 2 is inserted. 5 divided by 2, 3. It depends on what you want or how you want it. But in our case, I think we can just leave out the math.cell and go ahead with the computation like that. So teach me how to program. So that's how we insert a word into the middle of an array. So thank you and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.